Hi, English learners. My name is John. I'm from the Midwest in the United States, and I'm a Cambly teacher. And today I'm going to talk about figurative language. Let's get started. So, figurative language is a colorful usage of words deviating from the conventional use. So, what is figurative language? Well, one form is called binomial. Now, what is a binomial? A binomial is a sequence of two words connected with a conjunction, and, or. And you can make expressions with these two words. Now, the reason for using a binomial, you have some situation you're in, you want to illustrate the situation you're in, or you have to make a decision about something, and you use this binomial to express that feeling you have for that decision, or you want somebody to respond to you, evoke response. So I'm going to give you a few examples of binomials. Okay, here we go. So the first one is, there are 12 here. And so the first one is, I'm sick and tired of eating the same thing. Sick and tired. So sick and tired just means you're bored with something and you don't want to do it anymore. The next one. I listen to the same old news day after day. Day after day. So every day is the same routine, same thing, day after day. The next one. Check the equipment for wear and tear. Wear and tear. So wear and tear means you have to maintain some equipment. For example, a car, changing the tires and things like that to keep it working. We arrived home safe and sound. Safe and sound means everything's fine, you're happy, perfect, you had a beautiful day, and now you're home and relaxing. The next one, city life is filled with hustle and bustle. Hustle and bustle. A lot of noise, a lot of action, people running around all over the place, horns blowing, people running up and down, bicycles, a noisy place. Hustle and bustle. Relationships have ups and downs. Ups and downs. So when you have a relationship with someone, sometimes things are good, sometimes things are bad. So like a roller coaster, it goes up and it goes down. It's like a relationship. Ups and downs. I heard the coach bark out the plays loud and clear. Loud and clear. So very like orderly, like an order, giving you an order to do something. Loud and clear. And you hear it. Next one. The company will sink or swim after we launch our new product. Sink or swim. So we're going to either be successful or we're going to fail. One of those two. Next, I hear the bell ringing. That means it's time to rise and shine. So rise and shine means get up in the morning. So the sun's coming up and you get up. The project was more or less a success. More or less. So it wasn't a great success and it wasn't a failure. It was kind of like in the middle. It could have been better. We're glad it wasn't worse. More or less. Next, it's now or never if you want to buy a house. So now or never means at this moment I have to decide to do something. If I don't take this opportunity now, maybe I'll miss this great chance. Now or never. Okay, and the last one is we have to fix the car sooner or later. So sooner or later means that you have time maybe, but you don't have time because you don't know what could happen. If your car could break down tomorrow, your car could break down next week, but something has to be repaired sooner or later, or it has to be taken care of. So those are binomials. We have trinomials. So we take three words and we make an example. For example, if you ever get into a pinch, remember to stay calm, cool, and collected. Calm, cool, and collected. A pinch means a difficult situation. So there you go, an example of a trinomial. So I just want to mention, for people who aren't familiar with Cambly, Cambly is a place where you can have instant access to native speakers. It's a very flexible platform. You can take lessons just about any time with various devices. Schedule your next lesson here. Take a look at it and see if it works for you. Thank you very much, and good luck and goodbye.